Hi everyone, Caroline here. So today I just want to share another way that Spirit has been helping me quickly resolve some issues, sometimes you have these things that we hold on to that are not beneficial for us, but Spirit has been coming through for me in some very interesting ways, and I want to share one of those ways. Okay, so I had a dream. And for me, my dreams are usually just something else. They're deep experiences. They're deep teaching experiences. I see a lot of things in my dreams. I learn a lot of things in my dreams. I have so many deep experiences. By the way, it's just crazy. But it's wild and it's good and it's everything. My dreams are everything. They make me. They teach me. This is my path, okay? So anyway, I have this dream. And this actor comes through in this dream and he holds my hand and we're going for a walk and he's like, oh Caroline, I've come to pick you up and I'm very excited and we're going on a date or whatever. And he's like, well, I just want to show you something. And I'm so happy because this person has come in my dreams to take me out and whatnot, and I'm so excited, right? So we go to this place and then he tells me to watch something because he wants me to lose his number. He wants me to lose his number. As in, this person in the dream, he already knows that I like him and I watch his things and I'm like, that's my person. You know what I mean? You can't play around with this person. Everything that is on, I'm watching, I'm in it, I'm supporting this person or whatnot. You know what I mean? Like some of those things that we do, right? So anyway, the person comes to me in a dream and tells me to lose his number. After I saw what he was doing in that dream, I had no choice but to lose his number. And he basically just told me, Caroline, you know what? I have so much respect for you. I want you to lose my number. I was like, what? It took Spirit to take me on an experience with this person and watch him do some awful things in that dream. And for that person to come to me and tell me that he respects me and he wants me to lose his number. Can you imagine? Spirit had to take me through that process to show me through that person's own mouth that this person was not that goody person that I thought he was, and that he was involved in all these nasty things out there, and that I should lose his number, as in drop it. Do you know how quickly I have ended that relationship with that person? And how glad I am that that person told me that he respected me and he wanted me to lose his number, which of course gives me respect for him. But I believe that that collaboration between him and Spirit and me was what it needed to take me out of watching his movies. And I'm just like, this is what it takes. These days you just have to listen. If you're not listening, interesting ways of ending things are coming. Are you listening? Are you watching? Are you observing? Are you aware? Because of cultural things, some of us have been caught up in, we like this musician, we like these movies, we like these things, but we know they are not the best things, and even the things that are portrayed in those things are not the best things for us, but we still watch it because it's cultural or because we had this crush when we were young or whatnot, and we have not been able to leave those energies. But now, even those peripheral energies, all those energies that we assume that are not affecting us are now being revealed. There are layers and layers and layers of removing things. You know what I mean? There are layers and layers of eliminating things. Even things that we just loved and we thought were not harmful are really harmful. And Spirit is coming for us, to help us basically lose these people's numbers. Can you imagine? Lose that person's number. What is this? What manner of love is this? I lost that number with a quickness. You know what I mean? With a quickness. So, have you been experiencing these kinds of things where unusual ways of releasing densities are coming through that are not associated with pain and suffering the way it used to be, or with some kind of drama? Let me know in the comment section. Interesting things are happening and we are new people with new experiences. So, interesting things are happening. Let me know. In the meantime, lose those numbers, okay? Bye.